Good morning, I am Kiran Raj. Welcome to the online classes on problem solving using C. Today we will discuss about some of the problems in the operators and expressions. So this is the precedence and the associativity chart. So precedence, that is which one will be given the priority, right? So it is already explained in the previous video, please check that. Associativity will say how it should be executed, whether it should be executed from left to right or the right to left. So this is one of the problem here. So I have n1 is equal to 9, n2 is equal to 12 and n3 is equal to 3, and I have to calculate x, where x is equal to n1 minus n2 divided by 3 plus n3 into 2 minus 1. So here I have different signs, right? Minus, plus, multiplication, minus and division. So in this time I have to know first which one should be executed, whether I should execute plus or whether I should execute minus or whether I should execute division and the multiplication. So let us check the table here. If you see the table, the multiplication, division and the modulus, it will have the higher precedence compared to the addition and the subtraction. So what I am going to do, I am going to execute them first, that is division and the multiplication. But again, division and the multiplication, they have the same precedence. So I have to know whether I should execute the plus first or whether I have to execute the, whether I have to execute the division first or whether I have to execute the multiplication first. So what I have to do, I have to check again the associativity. Associativity says that you should execute from left to right, that is left hand side to right hand side. So let me have the values here, that is n1 is 9, so 9 minus n2 is 12, then divided by 3, n3 plus n3 is 3 multiplied by 2, then minus 1. So as I already mentioned, I have to do the operation for the division and the multiplication first. In that side I have to do the left one first, right? Because left to right. So 9 minus 12 by 3, right? Division, and I am making from the left side. 12 by 3. 12 by 3 is 4. Then plus 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 minus 1. Now next step, I have minus symbol plus symbol, right? So I have to check again the precedence. So as I already mentioned, if the operators are present in the same precedence order, that means no one is higher. Plus is not higher or the minus is not higher. They have the same priority, they have the same precedence, okay? But how it should be executed? It should be executed from left to right. What do you mean by right to left? Right to left means you have to first solve the 6 minus 1 first, then the 4 plus 6, then the 9 minus 4. Like that it will come. Now what you have to do is you have to solve it from the left hand side. That is 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 plus 6 minus 1. That means x is equal to 11 minus 1. That means x is equal to 10. Okay. So my value is 10. You may be thinking why precedence and the associativity is required. If you don't follow the associativity and the precedence, you may get the answer wrong. For example, let us say that I am making 3 plus 3 first. So 3 plus 3, that means it will become 6, right? 6 by 2 is 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 into 2 is 14. 14 minus 1 is 13. So I'll get the answer 13. So it should be executed by saying the associativity and the precedence table. Now let me go for again another example. I have given x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 5, and I am mentioning, or I want to calculate what is the value of z. So I have the if condition there, so let me do that. What is the value? Let me check now. So let me rewrite that. Z is equal to if, right? Okay. Now before solving it, let me check which has the highest priority, because I have double equal to, I have plus, and I have and, then logical and, then I have the greater than, right? So let me check that. So if you come and check here, plus is coming here, okay? Then I have the greater, lesser than, and the double equal to is coming here, right? Relational, okay? Then I have the equity, that is double equal to is coming here, okay? Then last I have the logical and, okay? So which one I have to solve first? I have to solve the addition, right? So let me do that. So x is double equal to what? 25, and let me write now here only, y is greater than 10. Okay. Now let me rewrite that again. Z is equal to if, okay. Now x is, I have double equal to and lesser than, right? So let me check that. Double equal to is coming here, and is lowest precedence, but I have the lesser than here, right? Lesser than, that is relational, which has the highest precedence compared to the equality, right? That is double equal to. So let me solve this one first. Y is like greater than 10 first. So x is double equal to 25, and if you see here, y is lesser than 10. What is the value of 5? Sorry, y value is 5. 5 is lesser than 10. What is the output of the relational operator? It is true or false. So my output will be true, or you can say that my output will be 1. Okay. Now next what I have to solve? Next will be the equity, that is double equal to. Now I will check whether the x is double equal to 25. What is x? 20 is x, right? Whether 20 is double equal to 25? No. So what is the thing? F. Okay, that is false. And T. Now next I have to solve the and only. So what is the operation of the and? That is logical and. When both the inputs are true, then only your output is true, right? So what will be my output? So false. That means z is equal to false, or I can write z is equal to 0. That is how you solve the problem. Thank you.